Hello friends, my name is Vikas and today I'm going to talk about how we can create a simple Java program using Eclipse. So our agenda of today's schedule would be creating a simple Java program using Eclipse, download Eclipse, how to use download Eclipse to create Java program, write a Java program and compilation and execution using the Eclipse, right? So for this, first of all, I'll go to the browser and I'll say download Eclipse. So to download Eclipse, I will just go to, I just use this link. If you just come here once again, we say download Eclipse in the Google. Then the first link, I need this one, Eclipse ID for Java E developers, so that I can use it for advanced Java as well. Now, these are the releases of Eclipse, so I'll go for the latest one. I'll go for, let's say I'll go for Mars. You can go for other one as well. So I'll go for Mars and Eclipse ID for Java EE developers. So I'll click on this and here I'll click on either of 64-bit or 32-bit, depends on your operating system, which operating system you have or which Java you have installed. So if you have installed Java 64-bit, you can go for either 32-bit or 64-bit, right? So I have in my system I have Java 64-bit, so I can either select this one or this one. So first, let's say I'm selecting this one. So I'll just say download. Now it's saying thank you for downloading Eclipse. Okay. Now it's saying 34, 40, 30, 40 minutes, lots of time it will take. So what I'll do, I'll just cancel it because I have already downloaded Eclipse. So I'll just open that download folder where I have downloaded Eclipse. So I'll just go to download folder and I have, so if you download Eclipse, it will come like this. First of all, this will be a zip folder, so you can right click on this and you can unzip it, extract all, so it will unzip it, right? So I have unzipped as well, so this is the folder which is unzipped folder. So I'll just double click on this and inside this I have the Eclipse setup. I'll just double click on this. Okay, so it will take this directory and it will create a workspace, default workspace. I'm not changing anything there. I'll just say okay. It's opening now. Yeah, so I have created some program. I think I should close this. This is a multi-threading program. Okay, so this is our Eclipse. You can see it. And I want to create a simple Java program. So I'll go to File and I'll say New. I'll say Java Project. Java Project. If you don't see Java Project here, then you can click on Other, or you can select Java Project from here. So I'll just say Next. And you can write any project name. You can just say the first program, the first program. Okay. I'll see here use an execution environment JRE8. So I'm not touching anything here right now. I'll just say next. And I'm not touching anything here as well. I'll just say finish. Okay. So this is the project directory I created right now. Now, see, if you explore this project directory, you will see here a src folder is there where I can create our source file. That means our Java file, .java files. And this is Cherry system library. So this is not our related things. This is API classes or jars. So I have not created this. It has automatically been added in our project directory. Okay, so our job is from this folder. I'll just right click on this and I'll create a Java class and I'll say new, and this is a class. I'll just click on this, and if you want to create a package, then you can create a package, but right now I'm not explaining about the package, so just leave it blank. And I'll just say here class name, I'll just say here hello, hello world, hello world, and it is public selected as well, so I'll just leave it. And here method, which method stub would you like to create? I'll say here public static void main, because this is starting point of Java program, so I need it compulsorily, right? So I'll just say finish. I'll just delete this. This is recommended to delete. I'll just double click on this to make it large. Okay, if the font is little very small for you, then you can, because for me it's very big. I think done I have increased the size. So but still, if the size is less for you, if you are writing your computer, then you can just go to general, and you can come here at appearance, and here you can go to color and font, and you can go here basic. In the basic, you can just explore this, and you can come here and you can go to text font, double click this, and you can see the size of this. I have taken this size. Let's say I'll say 18. I'll just say okay and okay. So it has increased the size, right? Now I'll say here system dot, and okay. So there are many way to write here. You just say system dot out dot println. I'll just say here, and I'll write here hello world. So I'll say Control S. Now I'll just right click on this, and I'll say run as Java application. It will print hello world, right? So it's printing hello world. So this is our first program in Eclipse. We came to know how we can run in our Eclipse, right? You can run this application using this as well. Right click here, and you can just say, sorry, don't right click here. Just click on this, and it will execute the program. So as I was telling you, if I delete this, I have typed it explicitly, system, everything I have typed it. But now I don't want to type, just say syso and control spacebar, right? So it will just say system.out.println, right? What I did, just see once again. I just said syso and control spacebar and control spacebar. It will come this and press enter. Now you can type here hello world, hello world. Now just click this, it will execute the program. So that's all for this video. Thank you all.